Hey everyone, we're back and we're hitting the local store. Apparently there's Team Transport's Wave 3 or Mix C being put out on the pegs this morning. There was some yesterday, but they put it out in the afternoon rather than the morning when I was there. So this is the first Team Transport batch to ever come to New Zealand, and let's hope that the rumours are true. See you in there. Alright, run to the toy section. Hey Tim, there's Diecast on the peg. Brand new. Tim, look. Fresh paw.
Oh my gosh.
We'll look through that later.
Oh, T2.
Yeah.
Regular T2.
There's none on the pegs.
Okay, nothing there.
Yeah, there we go.
There they are.
FLF 56, that's it.
Okay, oh yes.
Ah, phew, they're here.
And look, the new Monster Jams.
Oh yeah.
Look, these are 100% cooler than the original ones. I don't know the milk part next part. Look.
What? Oh yeah, the speed core one.
Yep. The up to speed really opened my eyes about it.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
And look, there's adjusters lead stuff.
Yeah.
450.
Some
Gee
of them look
whiz.
pretty cool, but...
Not really. Alright guys, getting some boxes down. So we're going to be getting that case down. Hopefully it is Team Transport's. Small one up the top there. Cheers. Thanks.
What's in that other one?
Transporters, yep.
Oh, Transporters.
Here we go Tim, there's our Transporters.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. See there. Yep, there's the Brie Datsun right there. Boom. Oh yeah.
I've never held
I'm
All of them, I suppose.
probably, yeah.
How much are these?
These are 17 each.
17 each.
I've been waiting for these for like 8 months to come to this country. Damn.
I think I might leave the gasser behind.
Look at that. Alright. Just smaller case than I was thinking. Mix C Team Transporters for 2019. Boom. Oh yeah.
Oh, I forgot to film it. Damn it.
What's the gasser one like?
Oh,
I can...
The wheels are
damn.
beautiful.
Are you getting 2?
I don't have enough money.
I'll just get these 3 then, because I can get 3. Where's the case gone? Oh, I put it there. Sick. Is there even a peg for them? Oh, phew. Alright guys, our friend at the warehouse brought out some more. Another Datsun. So that means 4 in all. So all the people here got to get 1. I've got 2 here. I don't know if I'm going to be getting both. This is the one I'll probably leave behind, but I'm not sure yet. Let's just see the detail on this. Mix 3. There. There's the Akasuka JDM Legends. The Datsun. It's got the blacked out headlights there. 3.
I just want to take.
That's so cool.
I just got to film the other 2.
Hello everyone. 956C Team Transport's Wave C Mix 3. Whatever you want to say, it is here.
Wanting to all of the collectors go to your local warehouse.
Yep, they're all here. We're taking 3 Datsuns. We left 1 here, and another collector promptly picked that up. I'm getting 2, Tim's getting 1, I'm getting Akasuka because it's JDM Legends and that's just awesome. Well, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.